Crash course on Portugal. Cultural festivals and traditions. Portugal is a country bursting with vibrant cultural festivals and traditions that reflect its history, folklore, and community spirit. From lively music festivals to religious processions, these events offer a captivating glimpse into the rich cultural tapestry of Portugal. Let's dive into the exciting stories, examples, and the top 12 attractions of cultural festivals and traditions in this beautiful country. Interesting stories and examples. 1. Carnaval de Torres Vedras, known as the Carnival Capital of Portugal. Torres Vedras hosts a lively carnival with a unique twist. Participants wear colorful and satirical costumes, poking fun at politicians and current events, creating a joyful and entertaining atmosphere. 2. Festa de São João. In Porto, the Festa de São João celebrates the feast day of Saint John the Baptist with a vibrant street party. People take to the streets with plastic hammers, playfully tapping each other on the head, and releasing illuminated paper balloons into the night sky. 3. Romaria de São João d'Arga. This ancient pilgrimage in the mountains of northern Portugal combines religious devotion with traditional folklore. Participants hike to the summit of São João d'Arga, where they offer prayers and participate in traditional dances, preserving an age-old tradition. Top 12 attractions of cultural festivals and traditions. 1. Festas de Lisboa, Lisbon, a month-long celebration in June, featuring street parties, music concerts, and the famous Marchas Populares, where neighborhoods compete with colorful processions. 2. Nos Alive, Algés, Lisbon, one of Portugal's largest music festivals, attracting international artists and music enthusiasts from around the world. 3. Festa dos Cruces, Barcelos, a lively festival in May, celebrated with processions, concerts, fireworks, and traditional dancing, honoring the town's patron saint. 4. Festa do Espírito Santo, various locations. This religious festival takes place across several regions in Portugal, featuring processions, traditional music, and the distribution of sopas, soups, to the community. 5. Semana Santa, Braga. The Holy Week processions in Braga are a spectacle of religious devotion, with participants dressed in traditional costumes, reenacting biblical scenes. 6. Festival do Marisco, Olhão, an annual seafood festival held in Olhão, where visitors can savor a variety of fresh seafood dishes while enjoying live music performances. 7. Feira de São Mateus, Viseu. This traditional fair dates back to the 13th century and offers a mix of entertainment, music, food stalls, and amusement park rides. 8. Feira de Estiago, Setúbal, a popular summer fair in Setúbal, featuring traditional crafts, gastronomy, music, and a lively atmosphere. 9. Festa de Ria, Aveiro, a celebration of Aveiro's maritime heritage, showcasing traditional boats, seafood tastings, and cultural performances. 10. Festas do Mar, Cascais, a music festival held in August, featuring a diverse lineup of national and international artists, set against the stunning backdrop of Cascais Bay. 11. Romaria de Nossa Senhora Begonia, Viana do Castelo, a vibrant festival celebrating the patron saint of fishermen, featuring processions, traditional costumes, and a grand fireworks display. 12. Expo Vasic, Cotonhete, a renowned agricultural and cultural fair, combining exhibitions, music concerts, and a diverse range of entertainment for all ages. Summarizing this writing, Portugal's cultural festivals and traditions offer a captivating glimpse into the country's heritage and community spirit. From the colorful Carnaval de Torres Vedras to the religious processions of Semana Santa, these celebrations unite people in joyous festivities. Whether you're exploring the lively Festas de Lisboa, savoring seafood at Festival do Marisco, or experiencing the traditional Festa dos Cruces, Portugal's cultural events are a feast for the senses. Now, let's end this crash course on Portugal with a poem. In Portugal's land, where cultures meet, Festivals and traditions, a vibrant beat. Carnival satire, laughter's embrace. Festa de São João, love fills the space. Festas de Lisboa, June's joyful call. Nos Alive's music, captivating all. Semana Santa's devotion, Braga's pride. Festa do Espírito Santo, community tide. Feira de Estiago, Setúbal's fair. Festa de Ria, Avero's maritime flair. Romaria de Nossa Senhora de Gonia, Viana's grace. Expavasic's charm, Cotonetti's embrace. Portugal's cultural tapestry, vibrant and grand. A celebration of heritage, united hand in hand. From north to south, traditions come alive. In Portugal's festivals, memories thrive. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.